Top 5 Best Wood Chipper Shredder in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best wood chipper shredder? If you received a new wood chipper shredder, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best wood chipper shredders on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher Ultra Duty 7 HP gas-powered is a powerful, efficient machine for yard and garden cleanup. With a 7 HP engine, it can handle branches up to 3 inches in diameter, making it ideal for mulching, chipping, and shredding wood and debris. EPA and CARB certified, it provides reliable performance for garden maintenance and fire prevention. Ideal for large gardens, it reduces yard waste and creates mulch for landscaping. This must-have tool is suitable for homeowners. Number 2. The S3 Wood Chipper Shredder is a 7 HP gas-powered machine designed for heavy-duty garden and yard work. It can handle branches up to 3 inches in diameter, providing efficient chipping and shredding for quick debris disposal. With a 15:1 reduction ratio, it reduces waste to manageable mulch, making it ideal for landscaping or clearing yard debris. Powered by a 212 cubic centimeters engine, it offers excellent performance for homeowners and professionals. Built for durability and ease of use, it is perf. Number 3. The Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher is a compact, 7 HP electric-powered machine designed for efficient garden and yard cleanup. It can handle branches up to 3 inches in diameter and mulches wood and debris quickly, reducing it to smaller, manageable pieces for easy disposal or landscaping. Ideal for homeowners and garden enthusiasts, it offers powerful performance in a compact form, making it an essential tool for clearing yards and creating useful mulch. Mini Wood Chipper Shredder. Number 4. The FD1501 Electric Wood Chipper Shredder 15 amp is a powerful 15 amp DC current machine designed for efficient yard cleanup. It can handle branches with a 1.5 inch cutting diameter, making it ideal for small to medium-sized debris. With a 10:1 reduction ratio, it reduces waste into fine mulch, ideal for landscaping and garden use. The electric-powered design ensures consistent performance without gas, making it eco-friendly and easy to operate. FD1501 Electric Wood Chipper Shredder 15A. Number 5. The 2800W Industrial Household Electric Wood Branch Shredder is a powerful garden tool for heavy-duty shredding and mulching. With a rated power of 2800W and a 45 mm cutting diameter, it efficiently breaks down branches, leaves, and garden debris. Operating at 5000 R/min, it delivers fast and efficient performance. With a 60L capacity bag and 94 dB noise, it's suitable for residential or light industrial use. Weighted 21 kilograms, it's durable and ideal for homeowners and gardeners. Thanks for watching the video.